Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. So I got this really cute package from Kawaii Therapy and today I'm going to be unboxing it. This is going to be an ASMR kind of unboxing, so there won't be a lot of talking, but yeah, I enjoyed all of the things that I got. Everything is super cute and really nice quality. I will have the links for everything down in the description box if you want to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be amazing. Also, be sure to follow me on other social medias like TikTok and Instagram. My username is allthingsnim. I would really appreciate it if you can go check that out as well. And now without any further ado, let's get started. All of the items in this video are from KawaiiTherapy.com. If you would like to buy something for yourself, you can use my code allthingsnim for 10% off. I will have the links in the description box. And that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one.